The Nintendo Switch 2 is officially here, and it's got everyone buzzing. After tons of rumors, Nintendo finally spilled the beans at their recent event, and we've got a solid look at what's coming. The Switch 2 drops on June 5th with a beefy new processor, sharper graphics, and a killer game lineup stretching into 2026. In this video, we're diving into what it's like to get your hands on the Switch 2, the big upgrades, and if it's the next must-have console. Let's jump in. First off, Nintendo didn't mess with the classic Switch design too much, and honestly, that's a win. The screen's now a bigger 7.9-inch LCD, packing HDR, full 1080p resolution, and a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate with variable refresh for those fast-paced races, battles, or open-world adventures. The console's still 13.99mm thick, just like the original, so it's as portable as ever. But the Joy-Con controllers? They've had a glow-up. They're slightly bigger, feel sturdier, and, get this, can act like a mouse in some games. That mouse mode's only for specific titles, though, and the Joy-Cons snap onto the console with magnets. They're still detachable, with better grip, and there's a new C button that pulls up a chat menu for stuff like muting during Discord-style voice calls in games. To make sure you're up to speed with all the features, Nintendo's dropping a paid digital Switch 2 Welcome Tour game on launch day. Oh, and the game cards? They're now red, not black like the original Switch. The system supports microSD Express cards, but heads up, your old Switch microSDs won't work here. Still, the Switch 2 keeps that portable, versatile vibe that makes it such a fan favorite. Now let's talk specs. The Switch 2's running on a custom NVIDIA chip that's a serious step up, delivering smoother performance. Storage is a big deal too, 256GB built in, compared to the original's measly 32GB. You've got two USB-C ports, one on top, one on the bottom. The bottom one hooks up to the new dock, which pushes 4K at 60 frames per second for TV play, and has a built-in fan to keep things cool. There's also a 3.5mm audio jack, a game card slot that plays both Switch and Switch 2 cards, and motion sensors in the Joy-Cons for immersive gameplay. Battery life's estimated at 2 to 6.5 hours, depending on the game, but that's just a ballpark. NVIDIA also dropped some juicy details about the Switch 2's power. They're claiming the new chip pumps out 10x the graphics performance of the original Switch, exactly the kind of leap we were hoping for. Plus, it's got AI-powered tensor cores for upscaling and noise reduction, even sprucing up the built-in mix audio. The chip also uses G-Sync in handheld mode to sync the display and GPU, so no more screen tearing. Long story short, this processor sounds like a beast, and it might just bring more AAA games to the Switch 2 down the line. The original Switch ruled the handheld scene since 2017, but let's be real, it's been outpaced by heavyweights like the Steam Deck OLED and Asus ROG Ally X. After going hands-on with the Switch 2, we're super stoked about its performance potential. It's launching at $450 on June 5th, a jump from the original's $299 price tag. With beefier hardware and rising costs across the industry, though, it feels fair. You're getting better visuals, smoother gameplay, and a console that could last another 6 to 7 years. Fingers crossed for backward compatibility too, so you can keep playing your existing Switch games. It's not cheap, but it's packed with features and could be a solid long-term investment. So, what do you think of the Switch 2 so far? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, give us a like and hit that subscribe button for more gaming goodness. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.